Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can enable the secret God mode settings in Windows 11. So for that, first you have to have this code. So I'm gonna open it and pause for 5 seconds so that you guys can see the code. I cannot paste this code in description box for some reason. Please I'm sorry for that, and you have to just please type it, and or you can just simply search on Google GodMode code. So after that you have to typing a code in somewhere, then you have to click on copy, and in your desktop or any other location you have to click on new folder, and here you have to paste the code. So after typing the code you have to paste it. After copying the code you have to paste it and enter, and you will see a folder with no name is here. You have to open it and you will find all the God mode settings here. You can browse through these settings and check which you want to use. So that's how you can open the hidden God mode settings in Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.